Hey guys, we are back with the new show, Defense in Heels. It is going to be your monthly 30-minute seminar on staying safe as a woman because there's just far too many creeps out there. So I see a couple of you guys are on there and you're posting and you're saying hi, so thank you, love you guys. Please share because we're going to have a lot more information. This is just more of our introductory to what we're going to be doing now. So,
okay,
I'm here.
Take a breath, Patty.
Oh my goodness, I wasn't even talking as fast as I can.
That was pretty fast. Okay.
I know, I talk really fast.
I know you talk fast. Okay. All right.
Okay. So we're getting back into everything, and I wanted to kind of go over all the fun new things that we are doing with Defense in Heels.
That's right.
So we have the Warrior Workshops that are coming up now.
Okay.
So back to all the damsel fun stuff. It's not just to come by my pretty cool thing. It is more of, hey, let me educate you. So we no longer have those boring parties. Not at all.
You don't have the boring parties?
No.
Where you ladies come and sit on the couch
No.
and you like, zap, zap, zap.
No, I couldn't sit still very long.
Okay.
You've met me. I can't sit still
Right.
at all.
So the parties are over. Now
Yes.
you have
Warrior Workshops. Yes. And so what we're doing is it is a hands-on training. You are going to use this stun gun. You're going to use the Kubotan, and you get to beat up what we call Bob. And Danny, you want to be my Bob one day?
Is that the guy in the big padded suit that gets kicked in the gonads 100 times a night?
Yes. We're not going to bring him to the Warrior Workshops, though.
Okay.
But there is a Bob that we bring that looks like a mean, nasty guy that you just get to take out all your rage for the day on.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you still get to buy all the cool stuff.
Okay, don't rename him Danny Vegas. Okay.
No.
All right.
Today, at least.
Okay, not in the least. So tell us a little bit more. I'm interviewing you again. I'm so sorry. I'm used to it. So tell me more about this woman's workshop. Is there one planned soon?
There is. So we
Okay.
have a couple of them coming up. There's one at the end of the month. If you're interested, tag yourself in here now so I know to talk about that. But we also have a Woman's Warrior Summit coming up.
Now, okay, so you have the workshop.
Yes.
Okay, and that's you get to beat up and kill and stab and do all that stuff.
Yes.
Now, a summit, my God, has to be like a 2-day event or something.
We're making it one day this time.
Okay, 1 day.
Yeah, so the workshop's an hour, maybe 2, depending on how much you talk or how many bottles of whiskey you bring, one or the other. Now, the summit is an all-day event.
Okay.
So with that, we're starting with a world-renowned yoga instructor.
Okay.
Right? Okay.
All right.
And then you get 3.5 hours training with me.
Okay.
And this is not the, hey, you're so cute training. This is, I'm pissed off. He didn't do the dishes again, and I need to take out my aggression. Not quite with those.
Okay.
We are actually going to be doing the hands-on rolling around on the ground, all the really scary situations that women don't ever want to get in, but you need to know how to get out of if you do.
Right. You know,
Yeah.
it's interesting because it's interesting because I think women don't, here's and this is not a fact. Most women they underestimate how an enraged man, how strong he is.
Yes, very much so.
They just underestimate it. They don't realize how fast they can be taken to the ground.
Correct.
And
Less than 4 seconds statistically.
Okay, well, you know everything.
Not
so this is
everything
why
yet.
it's so important to visit your summit and visit your workshops, because I think we can watch, ladies, I think you can watch all the videos you want, and like, oh yeah, I could, but the guy in the video already knows
Yeah.
what's going to happen. It's kind of a
Correct.
staged event.
Yes.
The real McCoy, it's not like the staged
No,
event.
not at all.
So anyway, all right, continue on.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do the workshop. We're gonna and the summit is coming when?
It is May 5th.
May 5th. Is it here in town?
It is. It's here in
Okay.
Vegas.
Okay. Do we have a location yet?
Yes. My brain is not working at the moment, though. I need more coffee.
Oh, okay.
It is on my page, though. So go to Vegas Damsel in Facebook, and it's the first thing I just posted it a couple minutes ago.
Oh, okay. So we got a location which you can't remember, but that's okay.
I'm only a little bit blind.
I think you're just nervous. Or you're Twitter pated with old Danny Vegas, one of the two. Okay. So, and then that's the summit, but you have the workshop is also coming up.
Yes, the workshop is on the 31st of this month.
On the 31st of this month. Do we
Yes.
know where that's going to be at?
That's at my house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, clearing out all the living room furniture,
Oh.
and we are going to beat up some bobs.
Okay. Well, that's got to be kind of fun.
Oh, yes.
It's kind of fun. Okay. So let's do a little recap. Damsel in distress, you are the lady to contact.
Yes.
Even like for me, my daughter is now 16 and driving.
Ooh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, so I came to you. You got me all maced up.
Correct.
In fact, I think it's one of these right
Yeah,
here.
one of these pepper sprays.
One of these pepper sprays. So now
Yeah.
my daughter carries one of these. And I'm going to tell you, I'll tell you right now, as a father who has 2 daughters and a wife, now my 16-year-old is out. She's driving. Hey, I'll be home after this. We know there's dark parking lots. There's situations. So we are always telling her that you really, like I said, get your butt out of that phone when you're walking in parking lots, or you just got to keep an eye out, because I cannot stress enough, and I'm sure you can say it over and over too, the guys who attack women know what they're doing.
Oh, yes. You have been picked out specifically for a specific reason.
That's right. They know what they're doing. They know if you're walking in between cars, they know once you grab a key to put the key in, that's when your attention is completely
Yes.
focused on something else.
Correct.
And that's when they attack.
It is.
And ladies, and that's what's so good about this show, every month you're going to come in and you're going to remind ladies.
Yes.
Dark parking lots, keep those keys where you can get them, get the damsel in distress tools that you can use to protect yourself. And gentlemen, guys, I know you're thinking, it has nothing to do with me. These are your daughters. These are your wives. These are your sisters that are out there in a world where there's just flat out some bad guys.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. So let's do this. We want to, one more time, we're going to talk about, your show is at 6:30
Correct.
on the 3rd Monday of every month.
Correct.
You're going to come in here and you say like Ruth Lauber all the time. Correct. You're going to come in here. Now next month, Danny Veg's going to be here.
No, but I do have some powerhouse women that are going to come in.
So you're going to have guests on your show.
Yes.
You're going to have guests on your show, and it's all about educating and getting women in tune to what's happening around them, and
Correct.
and being prepared, because God knows the majority of you will never have to worry about this stuff. But
We hope.
I
We
can
pray.
guarantee you, someone watching this tape, someone watching this show, whether it's live or a year from now on tape, one of you are going to be a victim.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Unfortunately,
Statistics
one
are
of
just horrible these days.
And it's kind of like a poker game. If you're kind of asking who's going to be the one that gets attacked, that means it's probably going to be you. Okay, so that's why we have Patty Stewart here. That's why she is on the WCOBM, a.k.a. Women's Broadcasting World Center of Broadcasting Network. And we are excited to have you here. Do you have anything else that let's do this. How do we get a hold of you? How do we find you? How do you do that?
Definitely. Go to my website. It is defenseinheels.com. We've got a fun blog up there that has specialty safety tips. You can get any of the really cute stun guns and pepper sprays up there, any of the self-defense classes, the warrior workshops, the women's summit. All of that stuff is listed on the Defense in Heels website.
Okay, we have 1 minute and 28 seconds left. It's all you.
It's all
Go
me.
ahead.
Oh my goodness.
I don't want to
Okay.
talk too much. It's all you. You finish this
Okay,
up.
so come out next month and watch us. I have a female special forces officer that's going to be here. I have a leadership development internationally certified trainer who's going to be coming out and speaking.
Okay.
Talk more about that women's summit that's coming up,
All right.
and more fun safety tools that are just here for you guys.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
can't wait for that. So, okay, say goodbye.
Okay, bye.
All
See you
right.
guys later. I need to find a call sign. Hey, post a cool call sign if you guys can think of something, a way for me to sign off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All
So
right.
tag me in something funny. Tacos or whiskey, you guys know that's me.
Tacos and whiskey. Oh, wait, don't stop
Right?
now. What's that?
Those are my kryptonites. And so if you look at my Facebook page, everybody posts me in either something whiskey or taco related.
So what you're trying to say that if I ever take you out to dinner,
I am a cheap date.
tacos and whiskey.
Yes.
All right, leave the weapons at home. We'll be back next month with Patty Stewart and Defense in Heels.
Bye, guys.